In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable cache in Firefox. Firefox does not have a simple switch in its normal settings to completely disable the cache. However, you can turn off the disk cache through Firefox's advanced settings. It's important to note that caching is a mechanism that allows browsers to load web pages faster by storing certain elements locally. So, while disabling it may help with specific tasks, it can also slow down your browsing experience. Understanding this balance is essential, especially if you frequently use Firefox for various online activities. To start, type About Config in the address bar and press Enter. This action will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration settings where you can customize various features. The warning page may appear, indicating that changing these settings can impact Firefox's performance. Don't worry, this is a standard precaution. Click on Accept the risk and continue to proceed. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the in-depth settings that are not available through the standard options. Next, search for browser.cache.dismilk.enable in the search bar at the top of the configuration page. This specific setting controls whether Firefox uses the disk cache to store web content. Look for it in the list of preferences that appear. Once you locate it, double-click the setting to change its value to false. This action effectively disables the disk cache. You'll see a brief change in the interface, confirming that the setting has been updated. This step is significant because it ensures that Firefox will no longer store cached files on your disk, which can help in certain development scenarios or when troubleshooting website issues. If you only want to temporarily bypass the cache for a specific page, you can do that quickly. Simply press Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. This command forces Firefox to reload the page directly from the internet instead of using cached files. This is particularly useful when a website has updated content but your browser is still displaying the old version. Knowing this shortcut can save you time and ensure you're always viewing the latest information available online. For web development purposes, Firefox also offers a way to disable the HTTP cache while the developer tools are open. To access this feature, press F12 to open Developer Tools. This opens a panel at the bottom of your browser window, giving you access to various tools for inspecting web pages. Once the developer tools are open, look for the settings icon, which typically appears as a gear symbol. Click on it to open the developer tools settings. In the developer tools settings, enable the option for Disable HTTP Cache when toolbox is open. By checking this box, you ensure that any page you are working on does not use the HTTP cache during the development process. This is a vital step for developers as it allows for real-time updates and helps prevent issues caused by outdated cached content. Remember, this setting only applies while the developer tools are open, meaning it won't affect your regular browsing experience. Lastly, if your primary goal is to free up space rather than completely disable caching, there is a straightforward way to do that. Navigate to Menu, then Settings, followed by Privacy and Security. From there, find the option to clear data. This method allows you to remove cached files without altering the caching settings altogether. It's a practical approach to reclaiming storage on your device while maintaining the benefits of caching for faster browsing. With all these steps, you can effectively manage caching in Firefox to suit your needs. By understanding these options, you can enhance your browsing or development experience significantly.